Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm on a charity. In today's video we are going to be talking about me, basically how I started YouTube, how I got monetized, how I got to know about YouTube. So it's about me basically, like I said. So let me start by how I got to know about YouTube. That was in 2018 when I met a friend. He's a content creator. He introduced me to YouTube. As at that time, I was working. So when I met him, we got close, like very, very close. And he was like telling me how I can make money online. Because the work I was doing at that time was very, very stressful. Trust me when I say stressful, it was very, very stressful. Like I had to do something to earn a living, right? So when I met him, he was like telling me about how successful he is as a content creator, how he makes money, plenty of money on YouTube. So I got interested, literally. Prior to that time, I didn't know anything about YouTube. So he was like he gave me a task. He said I should go online, make research on what I can do, what I'm good at. So I took time to like research what I can do on YouTube, the kind of content I can make on YouTube to like make money. And like I said, at that time I was working and the work was very stressful. So I went online to make research on what I can do on YouTube. So I came up with personal hygiene content, and trust me, that content was so stressful. Like I said, I was working then, so combining the work with that content was a whole lot for me. So at a point I paused, right? I stopped at a point. That's 2018 I stopped. And that year too, I got admission into the university. So like I had to like leave everything about content to just focus on my academics, right? So fast forward to 2023, after graduation I had to like go back to YouTube again, because I forgot to mention earlier, when he introduced me to YouTube the first time, I told him that I would love to do fashion content because I love everything about fashion. And at that time, I didn't have any idea about how to sew. So I told him that after graduation, I would enroll for fashion training and then, then go back to YouTube. So after graduation, I had to like enroll. Then I learned for some time. So after my graduation from fashion school, I set up a YouTube channel. Like I went back again, and this time I had to like change everything. And while I was learning how to sew, I started building my YouTube channel with shorts, because I didn't want to leave it. I've already created the YouTube channel. I didn't want to leave it like that. So for those of you that have been following me for a while, you will know that I started my YouTube channel with shorts. I was doing relationship content with shorts. I was doing relationship content. It's something I always love to talk about. So it's like love. Everybody likes love. Everybody loves love. So I started off the channel with relationship content with shorts, right? So after my graduation from fashion school, I started making sewing tutorial and all that. So this friend has been, I don't even know how to put it, but he's a friend indeed. He's been there right from day one, supporting my content, like giving me all the necessary information I need to know about YouTube, things I'm supposed to do to get monetized, things I'm not supposed to do in order not to like violate YouTube guidelines. He has been there right from day one. He's been supportive. So after I built up my channel with shorts and I got the monetization requirements, he had to like set up do everything for me, and finally I got monetized. So I started doing my fashion content. And if you've been following me, if you've been following my channel, you will know that I hardly post on this channel even though my channel is monetized. This is why I got mobilized for NYC February, and this YouTube channel got monetized around August, September last year. So I didn't really do much on the channel when I started my fashion content before I got mobilized for NYC. And I can't be doing both at the same time. And for those of you that have said before, you know, I can't be in camp and then have time for yourself or for your content. So I put a pause as to it. I put a pause. So this is a whole lot. But yes, that is how I started my YouTube till days, and God has been helping me. And I really want to take out this time to say a big thank you to all my subscribers, my returning subscribers. You guys are my legit family. You guys are the real VVIP. I really appreciate you guys for all your support, because without you guys I wouldn't have come this far. To be honest, you guys have been supporting me right from day one. I can't post my video and then watch my video if not for you guys. You guys are the one watching my video, commenting and do everything for me. So I really want to take out this time to say a big thank you to all of you for supporting me. And the little advice I have to you is that if you are an aspiring content creator, you want to do something on YouTube to make money, you have to be like you have to know what you want first. You have to identify what you want to do, and then you have to be very patient, because YouTube is not easy. Let me be sincere with you. At a point I almost gave up. If not for this friend, I almost gave up, because YouTube it can be very, very frustrating sometimes. There are days you post and you don't even see one view. That is how frustrating it can be. You post something, you don't see view, you don't see like, you see nothing, and you'll be so angry, like what am I doing? How if it continues, like how am I going to get monetized? Sure, you get. So you want to be a content creator, like every content creator, you have to be patient, you have to be determined, like you have to be like this not giving up spirit, because it can be very frustrating, right? Especially when you are not getting views, when your videos are not like ranking. So it can be very, very frustrating. So if you want to be a content creator, you have to be hardworking, you have to be persistent to climb that ladder. Okay, so that is how much I can say for today. YouTube is not for lazy people. No matter the content you are doing on YouTube, you have to put in hard work. YouTube is not for, in as much as I'm still coming up. If you check my channel, you know that it's a baby channel. Yes, we are trying to build it up, we are still coming up, and I promise that I'm going to like put real content for you guys once I'm done with this NYC stuff, because the whole thing is even stressing me up. But we've got to do what we got to do. It's not like we have options to like not go for it. So I promise that even while I serve, I'm going to work hard. I'm going to try as much as possible to put something meaningful out there for you guys. I'm going to try my best to do real content, something you can watch and you say yes, this thing is worth watching. I learned so this from this channel and that. I'm going to try as much as possible to do my best to put out real content for you guys. So thank you so much, and thanks to this friend that has been helping me over the years. I'm not like taking all his kindness for granted. Yes, so that is all for today. Before you go, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Please, you know how hard the country is. We got to chop, and without your like, without your subscription, without your view, we can't eat. Just do well to subscribe before you leave, right? Do well to subscribe to my channel, you like, so that YouTube algorithm will pick me. You know, when you like my video, it will be easier for YouTube to like recognize my video and then yes, pick me. So do well to like, share my content with family, friends, everybody, even your enemies. I don't mind. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.